In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section in Elementor. It's a great skill to have if you're looking to enhance your WordPress site and make it more visually appealing and organized. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, we need to open the Elementor editor. To do this, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, you have the option to navigate to either pages or posts, depending on where you'd like to add your new section. For instance, if you're looking to enhance a particular page on your website, click on Pages. If it's a blog post you're working on, then select Posts. Once you've made your choice, you simply pick the specific page or post you'd like to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. This action will open up the Elementor editor, which is our playground to create and customize our new sections. Now that we have Elementor open and ready, we can move on to adding a new section. In the Elementor editing view, take a look around and you'll notice a little plus icon on the canvas area. This icon is crucial as it's your gateway to adding new sections to your page. Go ahead and click on it. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to choose a column layout for your new section. Elementor offers a variety of options, whether you want a single column for something straightforward or multiple columns to fit more complex layouts. The choice here really depends on what content you're planning to display. For example, if you need to showcase a side-by-side comparison, you might opt for 2 columns. If the section is just to hold a heading or an image, 1 column might suffice. Think about how you want this part of your page to look and select the layout that best fits your vision. After choosing your desired layout, the section will be inserted into your page canvas, and you can start customizing it further. You have the flexibility to adjust settings like padding, margin, and background colors or images, among other style options. Elementor's user-friendly interface makes it convenient to make these adjustments in real time, so don't hesitate to experiment a little until you're satisfied with the look of your section. And remember, you can always drag and drop widgets from the panel on the left into your newly created section to add text, images, buttons, and more. Once you're happy with the new section you've created and customized, your last step will be to save your changes. Head over to the bottom of the Elementor panel and click on the green Update button to ensure all your hard work is saved and live for your site visitors to enjoy. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new section to your page using Elementor. Feel free to repeat these steps as needed to build out the rest of your page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!